For Indians, Canada is the top immigration destination. So you don't have to pay fees to the third party. Indians are on top in rank to receive ITS. I will also update you what are the easiest way to come to Canada. Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about CRS score and Express Entry profile. I get lots of questions from people saying that, sir, we are nowhere close to current CRS cutoff. Should we still create our Express Entry profile or not? And my straightforward answer to this question is yes. And today we are discussing why you should create Express Entry profile even if you are nowhere close to your CRS cutoff. So let's talk about CRS and ITA. My name is Santosh. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. My office here in Calgary. If you have any question, if you have or you are aspiring to come to Canada, then this is the right channel for you. So before we start, I wanted to give a quick fact. For Indians, Canada is the top immigration destination. In 2019, whatever ITA IRCC issued, out of that ITA, 18% was Indian who received those ITA. In 2020, 10% were Indian who received that ITA. So overall, Indians are on top in rank to receive ITA. So this fact is really motivating us to create our Express Entry profile because this is the proven way to come to Canada for Indians. Now let's talk about CRS cutoff. You should create your Express Entry profile because first thing, there is no harm. Okay, so Express Entry is electronic system. You have to just enter your information and submit profile. So there is no cost involved, and even if you remain in the pool for 1 year or 2 years, there is no harm, there is no drawback. Even if you are thinking to come to Canada, this is the first thing you should do, create your Express Entry profile. Second important, very important, there is no cost involved. So Express Entry profile is free of charge. You don't have to pay any application fee, processing fee to submit your profile. So it's completely free of charge. Besides that, it's very easy. So you don't have to really hire any consultant or agent for this. So you don't have to pay fees to the third party. You can do it by your own. Only thing is what the form is very simple. The information you have to fill up truthful information. You don't have to bump up your CRS points by filling untruthful or wrong information. So whenever you create your profile, you can do it by yourself. Put all the information truthfully and submit your profile. On YouTube, on Google, on different platforms, there are information available how to create your Express Entry profile. You can take advantage of that. IRCC website itself is completely very useful for creating this profile. Now third, very important, why you should your Express Entry profile, because there is no harm, there is no cost involved. You be into the pool and you know where are you standing, how much your score is. Okay, no one can predict what would be the next CRS cutoff. If you are into the pool, there is a chances for you. So we don't know, even if you have lower CRS score, put yourself in your Express Entry pool and that may help you. We don't know when anytime CRS cutoff come down and you might get chance. Now next point is PNP support. Almost all provinces, they have PNP program which is working with Express Entry. I also understand there are lots of provinces require a job offer, but there are few provinces, there are few programs, those are giving invitation without job offer. So we will discuss that one in detail, but again, creating a profile will also increase your chance to get invited by provinces. Now, one more thing, why you should make your Express Entry profile, because once you enter into the pool, you know where are you standing, how much points you have, what is the CRS cutoff currently going on, and to improve your score, you prepare. You start getting things ready. So you reappear for IELTS, you get added educational credential assessment, you also get, you also look for a job offer in Canada, you also try to think to come to Canada for studies. So those things, those elements will really help you to improve yourself too. And I have seen people, I have seen candidates, they start promoting themselves, they start educate themselves, they start taking more efforts to improve their CRS scores. In that process you really improve yourself. right? And then that really helpful for you in future too. So besides this, I will also update you what are the easiest way to come to Canada. I will prepare a very informative session on that, and I'm also preparing on the topic of PNP without job offer. I hope you like this session. Have a nice day.